Hello children, welcome to our 6th session of the lesson Clever Rita. This is Sunday. In our previous session, we explored about past tense verbs. In this session, let's proceed with few interesting companion activities to gain some good practice of using this past tense verbs in our sentences. Now look at your screen. This is your companion activity 6B. Let's read the instructions now. It is given. Underline the verbs in the sentence in the following sentences. Write a sentence of your own with the past tense form of the verb that you underlined. Isn't it very interesting? Well, I'll tell you one example. If there is a sentence, we like to read books. As you all are aware, what is the action word or verb in the sentence? Read, right? Well, what is the past tense of the read? The spelling remains the same, but how do we pronounce? Read. Now, let's try to create a sentence with read. I read many folktale stories during my vacation. Isn't it very simple? Now, similarly, you will have to create your own sentences using the past tense verbs. Now, let me read the sentences given for you. The first one is given. Vignesh learns martial art. Second one, we dance gracefully. Third, we talk to each other often. Fourth, he plays the violin well. Fifth, Sandeep laughs merrily. So, now it's your turn to work on this activity. To write your response, open page number 42 of your companion and write today's date. Else, you can use your notebook, write today's date and also mention the activity name as companion 6B before you begin. Now you can pause the video for 10 minutes to complete this activity and press play once you are done. Now let us proceed with another interesting companion activity. Look at your screen. This is your companion activity 6C. Here, this is a picture-based question. Here it is given. There are few verbs given in the help box. They are watch, turn, cross, call and talk. These are all in which form? Present tense form. First of all, you need to change everything with their past tense form. Then you need to fill in the blanks and complete the sentences. After that, once you complete, draw lines to match the sentences with the correct picture. Now, let's see what the instructions are. Complete the sentences using the past tense forms of the verbs given in the help box. Draw lines to match the sentences with the correct picture. The first sentence is, the driver dashed to the car to the left. Second sentence, he dashed me yesterday on the phone. Third one, I dashed a movie on TV yesterday. The fourth sentence is, I dashed to my teacher when she called me. Last sentence is, I dashed the road very carefully. It is your turn to work on this activity. Open page number 43 of your companion and write today's date. Else, you can use your notebook, write today's date and also mention the activity number as 6C, companion 6C before you begin. Now, you may pause the video for 10 minutes, press play once you're done. Welcome back. I hope that was very easy to complete. Now, let's move on with another interesting picture-based activity, which is your companion activity 6D. Now, look at your screen. Here, is a boy named Rahul doing some fun things. Here are some pictures of the fun things that Rahul did last weekend. Note the time. When did he do? Last weekend. You need to write sentences about the things that he did using the past tense forms of the verb. Now you all know why we need to use the past tense form, right? Because these actions are all happened sometime back, not at present. So you need to use past tense form. Well, in the first picture, I can see Rahul is jumping from a trampoline. And in the second picture, he is planting a small sapling. In the third one, he is watching something with his friends. And in the last one, I can see him playing football with his friends. Now, it is your turn to work on this activity. Open page number 44 of your companion, write today's date. Else, you can use your notebook, write today's date and also mention the activity number as companion 6D before you begin. Now, you may pause the video for 10 minutes to complete this activity. Press play once you complete. With that, we have come to the end of this session. I hope you all are now gained good confidence, good practice in using the past tense forms of the verb in your sentences. I shall meet you all in our next session with few more interesting activities. Till then, bye.